how long ago did I put those foils in your hair?
Last August.
Yeah, and you're only 14, little baby, almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we don't want to do too much colouring to your hair because you're so young.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think just be nice just to bring it back to life today.
Yeah.
So when I did it the first time, I just sort of focused through here. Do you have any ideas?
Not really.
Not really? We don't want to make it any lighter, I don't think. Do you like it, how it's grown out and it's sort of a bit more soft through the bottom? Or do you want me to bring it up a little higher again?
I think a little higher.
Bring it up a bit higher? Yeah. Did you like what I did last time?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. The only thing I reckon we might do today, because I never did much foil work through, I didn't do any foil work under here. So you can see that we've got all that depth through there. Which is, I actually really like it. But I think it might be nice just to put a couple through here. So you've got a little bit of lightness throughout, do you think?
Yeah.
Or do you want me to keep it just focused on the front? Or you just want me to do what I think?
I think do what you think.
Do what I think?
Yeah.
Perfect. So then the next thing I would say about your length, Mum said not to cut too much off because you'll cry. How much am I allowed to cut off?
Keep it kind of long.
Yeah, I'm going to keep it long. I'm not going to cut
But
much.
like,
But can we, like, when you say not too much, is that too much?
no.
That's not too much, is it? We kind of said that, right?
Yeah.
So that would
like
be...
kind of like last time.
Yeah, so if we bring it to like here, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then do some nice layering throughout.
Yeah.
I think that would be really good. So that would mean that we're taking about... that much off?
Yeah.
It's about 4 inches. It's really long. Is that alright for you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Just a little bit underneath here, and then I'll bring up those foils similar to how it was before.
Yeah.
Okay. Just mixing up my powder lightener with my 10-volt. I'm using the Kevin Murphy. This is up to 7 levels lift. Rosie's hair is mainly virgin hair, which is really nice. So yeah, I can just be really gentle with it today.